What is up, you guys? Today we're going to be talking about Meta. I made a video about Meta 3 days ago, because no, 2 days ago, and we were talking about how some insane calls were coming through on Meta yesterday. I did not do an update video, but from where we were talking about Meta at 92.73 all the way up to highs of day yesterday, we saw a big push. Social media in general had a great day, up about 4.96%. And from there, we have had a drastic sell off. From those highs down to where we are now, Meta is down 7%. We're going to talk about some big bookmap levels to be watching. We're also going to go over if I think big money is still in those positions or if I think they took profits on that push. And ultimately, what levels will I be watching and if I will be taking a position. Hit the like button, subscribe, check out our Discord community, link in the description. You guys get access to free courses, free live streams, free seminars, free webinars, free trades, and you can hang out with me over there. I'm constantly chilling in the Tesla chat section, trading, sharing some ideas. So come hang out and trade with us. So let's take a look at Meta. Very, very big day to the downside. We talked about that in our other channel, Traders Helping Traders, when we went over the Fed news today. Basically, 0.75 basis point hike as we expected. That's why we had the push followed by a sell-off, because when Fed Chair Powell was asked about will he hopefully soon start to pause some of the rate hikes, he basically said, we're not sure. Which I expected that, but the market's not happy with uncertainty. That's why we've had this sell-off. Now, looking at Meta right now, not looking too hot. Stochastic RSI on the 1 hour taking a big fade. Couldn't hold point of control at 93. And if we open up the book map, you can see our biggest areas of support or buys right now is $90. There's big area for buys. A lot of orders got filled today on there. And then our next level is down at $85. And that has a pretty solid level with about 1,741 orders coming through. So those are the two big buy areas. And then after that, all the way down into like 74 70s, there's nothing really within the book map. There's not a lot down there. So our big areas to be watching the next couple of days is 90, 35 and $85. And you can see these are mapped out here. So it's looking like we might try to catch a bounce at 90 tomorrow, see if we can get some of those buy orders come through, outweigh the sellers, and we could potentially get a push back up to like 91, 92. If that doesn't happen and we snap 90, we will be dropping down to $85 price range, where hopefully we can get some more bulls coming in, but I'll have to keep you posted as the days go on with volume. Now, looking at Meta on the daily chart, really not looking good. We talked about when I was going over the unusual options activity, how even though there was unusual options, I wasn't really a fan the way that this was setting up. Those options printed. I sold them way too early, but we have since sold off, and I think it's going to continue. Honestly, like after a stock, not only is the market not looking great, but after a company dumps 20% off of earnings, it's very rare that it completely recovers right back up to where it was. And so it's looking, we'll probably go through 90 down to 85. And looking at the weekly chart, we could potentially even end ourselves down at maybe even 80, 70, $75 range. So things are really not looking that hot with Meta. We didn't get some unusual buys or anything today, but I just wanted to do a quick little update based off of the video that we did 2 days ago. So if you didn't watch that video, go check it out. I'd make these videos very frequently in hopes that you guys can see what I'm thinking and doing in real time, as opposed to just looking at how the chart was the past couple of months and kind of just commenting on that. I want you guys to get an understanding of what I'm thinking about, especially from a risk standpoint. Thanks for all the support, guys. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Peace.